Hyundai.
Bogged down too. Did you see that on mine?
Oh, I got it on camera. It's hey, look, you need that Palm Beach tune instead of the LUND.
Well, it's because I didn't have my foot on the brake.
I mean, I have excuses too. I'm just
Oh no, I would have still run him. I still outran
Oh, I know,
him.
because you already did.
Uh-huh. Oh.
It's the Hyundai. It's the Hyundai got in the way.
God.
Get out of the way, Hyundai! Guys, good morning. What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are saying goodbye again to my 2019 Mustang. Yes, it was in an accident. If you missed the past couple of videos, I will link them above. Essentially, we let the wife drive the car to work, and to avoid getting killed by a semi-truck on a bridge, she had to put it in the wall to avoid it. And it's an unfortunate thing. This is the third accident in under a year, and this might actually be the worst one that it's had. But we are going to, you know what they say, fix or repair daily, right? But no, we're going to drop the car off at the dealership up here. There we go, quiet mode. So yeah, we're gonna drop it off at the dealership. I've been very anxious to hear what the body shop has to actually say about this, because essentially what is going on is we have a $5,600 repair estimate right off the bat from the insurance. And what we did was we sent in pictures, and then just visually looking off of those pictures, they can make their initial, guesstimation of what repair is going to cost. And I think it's going to be about double, at least, of what they have told me at $5,600. We hope not. We hope not. We hope that we can get this thing fixed very quickly so that we can still make Mustang Week. As of right now, I think it's still off. But yeah, here we go. Yeah, the alignment is like way off. You can see here. Yeah, the steering wheel is all the way to the left, almost just going straight. But big shout out, big shout out, seriously, to a friend of mine. We filmed with him in the past, Jeremy. Thank you so much. He is actually driving behind me, and he's going to let me borrow his 2018 loaded Mustang GT for the length of the repair, pretty much. Basically because he is a truck driver, he's on the road a lot, and he's actually been thinking about moving down in this location where I'm at. He figured he'd drop the car off, let me borrow it, and drive it safely. We don't want another crash, right? Knock on wood. And that way, when he gets off the road, he can make another trip back up here, and he'll have a car ready so he can go house shopping. So thank you again, Jeremy. It means an awful lot. The Mustang community is awesome. I love all of you guys, all of the subscribers that continue to join the channel, all of the support. It has been unreal. It is so awesome. Thank you so very much. But all right, dealership is right up there that way. Let's go. Hopefully this will be the last time. They say, the bad luck stuff comes in threes, so maybe this will be it. But we are here at Jenkins and Wynn, Ford, and Honda. And these guys do good repairs, at least they have in my experience. So maybe they'll do another good job on this guy. The Mustang will be down and out for a few weeks, but she will return, and better than ever, we hope, because we have more power and mods coming very soon. Actually, probably this week, while the car is going to be in the shop. So very exciting. She avoided a semi and then had to put it in the guardrail, essentially, to not die. So just the other day, they wrote it for $5,600.
Well, we're having to do a quarter inner outer taillight top and her body panel, everything. Oh gosh, yeah.
Yeah.
5,600 is way low on that.
Yeah, because they had.
It's more. They probably put repair on this quarter, did they?
Yeah. So, and they even had like trying to resurface the wheel and repair. Those are just chunks of metal missing off that wheel. Yeah. So that's going to be completely replaced.
Yeah. Definitely.
But yeah, when I saw it in the dark, because I have it at like midnight, and I saw this, and I was like, the door, I was like, no punctures, they could probably repair it, and I got to the quarter panel, I was like, uh-oh.
Yeah, that quarter's way too stretched. There's just no way you could fix that or the fender, either one.
It's got to be completely replaced.
So they're gonna have to cut a section of the fender out and put a new one in.
Yeah, well, how does that work?
Okay, they do cut this quarter the outer surface off. Make sure that there's no damage on the inner wheel well, which you cannot tell until this is cut off, because they are kind of welded together. but it'll actually get spliced up here at the pillar. So that is the minimum amount of seam that you'll see, and you cannot tell it once we repair it because it's basically smoothed out and everything.
So they have to cut all of this. Yes. Now, does that count as like structural?
Wow, so there's a possibility they could total it.
No, I mean, honestly, with it being a brand new car, no. It would take 70% of the value of this car to total it.
It'd be $30,000 worth of work. So, okay.
Yeah, it's just, but honestly, these photo apps that these insurance companies have, they're great because they kind of get something started. But in the long run, it just makes, it doesn't matter what the insurance company writes, because that doesn't mean that's the way we're going to fix it. We're going to go back and say, this is what we need to fix it.
Does do they reflect off of like we're talking about 70% of the value? Does that go off of
retail for NADA is what they go by?
Okay, so previous crashes and stuff has nothing to do with that. It's basically like
NADA, what this car would set like as is with no damage.
Got it. Okay,
gotcha. So
it makes me feel a lot better.
And buy
correct.
Yeah. Okay.
Right.
All right.
And
Good.
they go by retail. If not, it just takes a lot to total them out. I've got a Explorer in here now, brand new 19 model. I've got like a $26,000 estimate. It's not even close to totaling it. But again, parts are so expensive. It doesn't take much to jack that number up.
See, I rolled a Jeep once, but it was a 2003 Jeep, and I rolled it more than a decade after the fact. But it's a Jeep Wrangler. You still have the value.
Oh my God. I've got an 02 Wrangler at home, and I paid $6,000 for it, and I could sell it for $6,000, and I've had it for 10 years. It's just kind of they hold their value so well.
Anything else on the road?
Yes.
Yeah, because the front might be able to be like resurfaced.
Yeah,
it's not that bad, but
the rear is.
Yeah, there's just some heavy scrapes, but the back it needs completely to be replaced. So luckily she didn't get killed.
Yeah, that's the most important.
If that wall wasn't there.
Yeah, well, she could have also went over the ledge. It would have been really bad, but okay.
Is it on the car?
Yeah, it's on the other side of the car. It's that custom, that new mod.
Okay.
Yeah. Check this out.
Oh, that's perfect.
Yeah. You like that?
That's perfect.
Yeah. Wifey had a little accident, but
oh my God.
yeah, they're thinking it's probably like $10,000 to $12,000 worth of damage now. They have to cut that entire.
Yeah.
Don't know what we're gonna do.
The easiest is the front quarter.
yeah. It's but yeah, this like when we saw it, I was like, thank God you're okay. And then we were in the middle of the night, and I was like, okay, not bad. Okay, no punctures, we're good there. And I saw that, and I was like, uh-oh. Custom body work, absolutely.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that Corsa exhaust sounds awesome.
That thing sounds mean.
But
That's the whole piece.
yeah, she was talking about
They'll end up
doing it and cutting about right there, and then replacing.
Yeah, they'll do up somewhere in this vicinity.
She said that
way, this right here is not going to have a seam.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, she said I wouldn't even be able to tell, but I guess it does count as structural. I'm never trading this thing in. We got a blower on the way.
Oh, good.
Yeah,
I got my bullet.
Yeah, did you? Congratulations, man.
Yeah.
What did wifey say?
She's good.
She's good.
She
Surprise!
She wants a new car.
Yeah.
Detail guy got them all.
We got
out.
two Sean's here. We got Sean and we got What do you think, man? You like
This
it?
be like the other intro, like, what is this?
Yeah, what is that? Yeah, this is done on purpose.
Still got fresh concrete in there.
Yeah, I know. I haven't
We don't
even.
charge for that.
Yeah, still concrete all over it. Well, this had a two-step correction I did with the ceramic coat, and it's gone now.
You had it.
So yeah, we're gonna wrap it whenever we get it back. So the stripes are good. I just put the stripes on the back.
Yeah.
It's a brand new bumper. Well, they're saying that they may be able to fix this, but so I don't know if they'll repaint maybe just a section and blend it. But
Be able to do the body with here.
yeah, they're thinking they might be able to, because the clips are fine,
Yeah.
and there's nothing wrong with.
I think they'll be able to just do the body with.
Yeah, because there's no chunks missing, nothing like that. It's just little scratches.
Yeah, they might be able to
So are they,
fix that.
Are they talking about pulling all this out and cutting it off?
They have to
Oh,
cut.
Okay, good.
Yeah, they're
So
gonna
you don't
have
want,
to
that's
cut.
too much filler. You don't want that.
Yeah.
If they can, they'll probably just just cover like the section,
Right.
so there won't be that discoloration, because I mean the car being still fairly new,
Yeah.
you know, with the sun fading and whatnot.
Right.
Because otherwise they would repaint the whole thing.
Well, I don't even care because it's going to get wrapped.
I did
Probably.
think of a new name for you though.
Did you? What'd you think?
Frankenstein.
Frankenstein? That's
Kind of like
good.
Frankenstein. But
Yeah.
still
That's
lots
what it's turning
of,
into.
Lots of new parts from all different. Still strong and all.
Oh my goodness.
You get like two of those little like fake lug nut bolts sticking out of each window, like Frankenstein.
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh. Yeah, I need your wheels.
Yeah. What was it? Did you get rid of the other ones already that you had in the garage?
Yeah. Alrighty, guys, we're gonna keep the car for a couple of weeks. They are booked up, and they got some people going on vacation. So that is a good and a bad thing. It means that we're gonna keep the car for a couple more weeks. It is drivable so long as we avoid bumps. But I'm not going to. We're gonna drive around Jeremy's car, keep this thing safe in the garage. And the good thing about this is that maybe we'll be able to throw the blower and everything onto the car, thanks to these guys here at Hell Horse for the help. Parts should be on the way here soon. And actually install everything before it goes in the body shop. We might have time to do that. Should be fun. We won't be able to really dog the car and take it to the dyno or anything like that, but we can get the work done, and that's going to be the big important thing. But the downside is, you know, again, we're definitely going to miss Mustang Week at this point. Probably around the beginning of August, we're going to drop it off. And they think that they're going to have the car for the better part of 4 to 6 weeks. They're thinking about $10,000 to $12,000 worth of repair there. So yeah, it sucks. But we can get it fixed. The car is for sure not total. But this means that it's race car mode at this point. We are going to build this car for the track. We're going to basically not drive it very much on the street, I guess. And we're going to find something else to daily drive and go from there. But basically, guys, that's what is going on. There's your update. But we'll get it complete, you know, and then maybe we'll have some time to actually throw on a blower, which would be crazy. Supercharging my crashed Mustang. There you go. It's a clue what's coming. Possibly, if the parts come in soon enough and we can line everything up in the next couple of weeks, we shall see. If not, it will be there in the garage waiting on the car to get finished. And then the car may change color after all of this. I've said it before, and that is something that we are thinking about, is possibly pulling the stripes off and wrapping it or doing something different with the car. Just because, look, 3 accidents, we want to start off fresh. Maybe they'll fix it, and then that'll be like the birth of something new, a whole new project, because it really will be. At that point, we will have forced induction on the car, so why not change everything and just go from there? So definitely stay tuned to the channel. Big things coming, as always. Some more cool car reviews, a bunch of other things that are going to be happening soon. I can't give everything away, but it's going to be exciting. So again, stay tuned, and I'll see you guys next video.